Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, neither one of us has been here in a hot minute, so we're gonna fix that today. We're gonna do a little get ready with me, maybe some chit chat. We're gonna use some new things. I don't know what yet. I have not planned this out. I just want to use some new stuff, and we'll see what happens. Let's get started. Today I want to use the Viseart Libertine palette. Isn't she pretty? Not sure what we're gonna do. Smith 230 around blender. Get some of this in our brush. Place it down a little bit and then blend. That's a nice color. I thought it was going to be too light for me, but it gets enough depth that I can wear it in my crease. I'm going to take some of this color in the middle here, and I'm going to put some of that in my crease. I'm going to do it with the Smith 247 and place it. I want a little bit fluffier brush to blend, so I'm using my Stolazzi crease brush. Taking a little bit more color and blend. I think what I'm going to do here is something kind of simple, and so yeah, there's like 1,000 color combinations in here. I want to do them all, but it's going to take time, right? Right. This is a MAC 242, I think, or something like that. I'm going to take the cream color and put it under the brow. Just pat it on. Next I'm going to use my Esom W1. You can see the size comparison if you have this. This one's a synthetic brush, and this one is an animal hair, so it's going to grab more product. The way the cuticles lay, they lay more like your hair because they're real hair, so they're like this, and they'll grab the product more than a flat synthetic brush, which is good for dabbing, smearing, whatever. I thought about doing a halo eye, but then I decided I always do that, so let's do something else. I'm going to get some of the gold. Get it really good in my brush. With my brush, I lay down the first layer. I want to foil it more, so I'm using my finger today. This one, it seems to be best foiled with your finger. And I'm going to take this purple here, burgundy. Ooh, that has nice pickup. Smash and grab. This one you can smash into your lid with your brush and it will foil it. You drag your brush, it smashes the pigment down so that you can get that foil effect. I couldn't do that with the gold. Using this deep purple plum, which I've already done. You can see what I've done. I'm putting it under the lid. And a little bit in the corner here. If you have hooded lids, you can look way up and you can get into your lid. Okay, we're just going to wing that out and make it smoky-ish. Smoky-ish. So wing it out and up, make it smoky-ish. Taking that same deep color. I do have a little bit of fallout, but I think it's going to easily wipe away. Before I finish my eyes, I'm going to put on some powder, so I don't get powder all over my lashes. I'm using this hourglass. Love this stuff. I've never been a powder person before. Love this. Using my Esom X51. Love this brush. Man, I love this hourglass because it gives you just a really nice finish. I think I'm going to use my Pixie Mulberry liner for a tight line. This is the Esom T05. I'm going to use this to tight line with my Pixie Mulberry pencil. I think it's called Deep Mulberry, or Matte Mulberry. And I want to do it on pencil because I have an allergy eye and I keep poking myself in the eye. It's one thing if you're not comfortable with tight lining and you want to come up under your lash. Just get a flathead brush like this. It has to be very thin. And just push the color up into the lash line. I love the Pixie liners because they don't run, and of course allergy eyes, so. For blush today I'm going to use Ciate Baby Doll. I'm going to use just a little bit of that on the apples, and then I'm going to use Date Night. It's just gorgeous, and I use this a lot. I'll start off lightly and then we'll go for it. And then I'm going to pop just a little bit of Baby Doll more towards the apples. Just a little bit. And for our highlight, we are going to be taking the Ciate Moon Dust. I got this in Ipsy and then I ordered the full size. Pretty. See, isn't that gorgeous? Using my Crown 529, I'm going to just tap some across the planes. Okay, that wasn't tapping, that was swiping. I'm not going super hard on highlight because I like my eyeshadow. But I do like to put a little bit of my highlight under the brow, just like that. Makes it all match. For lips, I wanted to show you some Ciate and Lottie London lip colors that I have, and I'm going to be doing a giveaway with a duplicate set that Ciate sent me to do giveaway with. So we are leading up to my 8-year Blogoversary, so we're going to celebrate. Yay, woohoo, party. Okay, anyway, I'm going to take the Lottie London Glitter Switch in Dream On. So I'm going to show you the colors. This is, let's see. Okay, this is Dream On. These are the glitter switches, so you let them dry for like a minute or something, and then you smush your lips together. And how much you smush depends on how much glitter you get. This is Wanted. Nice, beautiful pink. High Roller. Oh, that is so pretty. This is Killing It, which I've worn before in a video. This is one I have from Ciate. I don't have an extra one, so it's not in the giveaway. But this one is called Candy. Beautiful. I've worn it quite a bit. And they have the lip foils, which are really interesting. This one is called Simmer. They're a really gorgeous, oh gosh, that is so beautiful. Let me just put it heavy on my hand because it's so beautiful. They're a nice glitter reflective foil, and they dry completely matte. So you don't have to worry about them being greasy, going anywhere. They're really cool. This one is called Over It. It is the pinky purple iridescence. Let's see. Come on, why can't we show you what it really looks like? Trust me, it's pinky purple iridescence. The next one is Dropout. This has a green iridescence. The way they're showing up in this light is not how they really look at all. I mean, yeah, it's kind of got some golden tones, but when you look at it, it's like green iridescence. And the last lip foil is called Lavish, It is a pink and gold iridescence, which kind of looks a bit coppery. It's right there. And okay, this one is how that other one actually looks in real life. And then this summer I had picked up 2 of the Lottie London Hollow Glosses from Ulta. I think they're still there even. This is iconic. It's kind of a purple with a lavender iridescence. And this one is Shade, which is purple and green with a brown tone. You know, Spanish fly, like MAC Spanish fly. So again, just for clarity, what you're getting in this giveaway is 4 Lottie London lip foils and 3 Lottie London glitter switch. Let's smush my lips and see if they glitter switch. Not bad. It's pretty. It gives it kind of a glossy kind of a look. It's pretty. I'm in love. So thanks for hanging out with me and doing our makeup together. This is a Libertine palette by Viseart. You can get it at Beautylish. You can get Lottie London at Ulta or Ulta Online. And I think that's all we got to talk about. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe before you go. Oh, okay. With glitter on the lips. Anyways, thanks for stopping by.